description meta tag? Description meta tag is tag that we use to set description of website. This information is actually information that we can see like a description text in searching engines like Google or Yahoo. So you can set here description of your website. Let's create one more meta tag. Let's define name and content HTML attributes. Like name, let's set description. And like description value, in content, let's set something like this is HTML, learn it from scratch course. Okay, let's save this change. Okay, let's refresh our web page. Once again, description is not directly visible in your web page, but your description text will be visible like description in a web browser when you search for your website. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate to our PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.